Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So, have we completed the chapter constructions?
Yes, sir.
Can you do question 14? Last question is left. Question 14, everyone. Only one question is left. Question 14 of this chapter. After that, we will start the new chapter. Exercise 17B, question number 14, the last question of the exercise. Okay. So here we have to construct a rhombus of side 7.2 centimeters. So let the side be AB, ABCD be the rhombus. Okay. Rhombus. You have to construct a rhombus where the side of the rhombus is 7.2 centimeters. 7.2 centimeters, and any one angle of the rhombus we will be constructing as 60 degrees. So very easy question. Everything we know about the rhombus. How will you construct a rhombus like this? What do you know about the rhombus, all of you? Can we say that we know all the four sides of the rhombus?
Yes, sir.
Because in a rhombus, all the four sides are equal. So all the sides are of 7.2 centimeters, right?
Yes, sir.
And can we say that we know all the four angles also?
No, sir.
Yes, we can say 60 degrees. One angle is 60, angle A is 60. So do we know all the other angles also of this rhombus? Yes. This is also 60. Opposite angles in a rhombus are equal and consecutive angles are supplementary. So what is the measure of angle B? 60 plus 6 equal to 180. Therefore, this will be 120. This will be 120. So that means we know everything. Okay, let's start doing it. So first of all, take AB as the base of the rhombus, 7.2 centimeters. Everyone, draw AB of 7.2 centimeters. So this was only a rough figure. In actual, we are just starting now. 7.2 centimeters AB. Okay. After that, construct angle A of 60 degrees using a compass. I hope you all know how to draw an angle of 60 degrees with the help of a compass. Draw a very long line like this. So this angle is 60 degree. I hope you all know how to do it. Draw an arc from point A and then draw this arc from this point without changing the radius. You all know it is a very simple thing. So 60 degree angle we have made using compass, and now the length of AD will be also 7.2. So measure 7.2 centimeters in your compass. Take 70.2 radius in your compass, and from vertex A, keep your compass at vertex A and cut an arc here. So this will give you the vertex D. What is this? This is 7.2. The arc is at a distance of 7.2 centimeters from vertex A. Now it is very easy to do, to find C. There are two ways of doing it. Either you construct angle B of 120 degrees and then make an arc at a distance of 7.2 centimeters, you will get C. So this is one way. Second way, you already have measured 7.2 centimeters in your compass. So draw an arc from B at a distance of 7.2 here. And from vertex D also, we can draw an arc at a distance of 7.2 centimeters like this. Okay, from vertex D. So this point of intersection will give you C. We have drawn two arcs, one from vertex D and the other from vertex C. So two arcs. I have made the arrows for your help. One arc is made from the vertex B and the other from the vertex D. Same radius, 7.2. Because in a rhombus, all the sides are equal. We are using the properties of a rhombus. Okay. In all the questions, very good questions. In all the questions, we are using the properties. Very good chapter. So this will give you, when you join BC and CD, you will get the required rhombus. 7.2 centimeters, 7.2 centimeters, and angle is 60 degrees. Okay.
Done.
Good. Post your answer in the group. Okay. So has anyone posted the answers in the group?
Yes, of course.
Anshuman. Others, please post your construction in the group. Very good, Anshuman. Absolutely right. Okay, so we are starting the next chapter now. So pie chart is left and line and linear graph is left. These are chapters of one day. We can
Yes,
come.
sir. Line and linear graph is very easy.
Yes. And what else is left? Anything else left?
No, sir.
Pie chart, line and linear graph. We have done volume and surface area. We have done area of trapezium and polygon. We have done constructions. We have done parallelograms. We have done time and work. We have done direct and inverse variation. We have done compound interest. So all over.
The two chapters are left.
Pie chart and line and linear graph. Only these two, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So open the chapter pie chart in your book, everyone. Page number 271. After completing these two chapters, we will start the revision. Everyone, page number 271. Same page in
Sir,
your
we
book
will do
also?
pie charts.
Yes.
Sir, okay, sir.
I hope you all have your compass and everything. You don't need a graph paper. Some students think that they need graph paper for pie chart. Please don't use a graph paper for pie chart. Graph paper is used for chapters like bar graph, line and linear graph, all these chapters. Okay. So you have to do this chapter in your classwork copy only. Simple maths notebook. Just a minute. Have you all taken out your book and opened the chapter pie chart?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you know about a pie chart? Anyone? Any idea about pie chart? You have done pie chart in your previous classes also.
Yes, sir.
Tell me anything about pie chart, whatever you know.
So displaying a data in a form of circle.
Displaying a data. Good. Anything else? Trying to explain some data, trying to give information about the data, trying to show the data to someone, or trying to understand the data yourself also. For that also it can be used. Yes. So, and anything else? Can you give an example of a pie chart where you have seen a pie chart? Have you seen a pie chart somewhere in real life? कहीं पर देखा है आपने? Yes. In any book or a newspaper or a news channels or anywhere.
Sir, in maths book.
Sir, in newspaper.
Not in maths book. I'm not asking about maths book. Any other book?
Sir, newspaper I am
You
seeing.
have seen newspaper. Where? Do you remember the pie chart was about what? What information it was giving?
Sir, it's a question and 78% voters give yes and no.
Correct, correct, correct. In some newspapers, there is an opinion poll. Sometimes they conduct an opinion poll with the public. They ask the public to vote for something in an opinion poll, just simple opinion poll about anything, any topic, and then they show the data in the form of a pie chart that the percentage of people saying yes, percentage of people saying no, and percentage of people who have no opinion about it. They are confused. Okay, so they show this data on a pie chart. I am also going to give you an example of a pie chart. You all must have seen it. Suppose this is a pie chart. It is always made with the help of a circle. Okay, sometimes it is 3D also, and we are not going to go so deep in it. So we will first learn what is a 2D pie chart, and then it can be converted in 3D also nowadays. 3D pie charts are also there. So suppose this I divide this pie chart, this circle, into different sectors. How many sectors are there? 4 sectors are there. So first sector is, suppose you all must have seen in these days the elections are about to be conducted in our state. So these days, if you open the news channel, very often you will see these pie charts. These will show you that how many seats a particular party is going to win, or what percentage of votes they are getting. Okay. So suppose so and so party, suppose let's name this party as party A. They got, suppose, 20% votes or 20% seats. Okay. Party B is going to get, suppose, uh, 30% of seats. Party C is going to get, suppose 50%, not 50, 50 तो कुछ ज़्यादा हो गए. Let's take 35%. And party D, how much is left? कम बचा है बहुत. But it will be more than as compared to A and B. So A and B का थोड़ा कम कर देते हैं. Let's make it 15 for A, 20 for B, 35 for C. So what is 15? This is 15, okay? 15%. So 15 plus 20, 35 plus 35, 70, and party D suppose 30%. So the sectors are divided accordingly, according to the value that they have. So how do you divide these sectors in a proper manner? This is what you are going to learn in this chapter. Suppose if a party is getting more votes, getting more seats, then the sector should be bigger. Am I right or not? Common sense.
Yes.
The sector of that particular party should be bigger if the party is getting more number of seats. If the party is getting less number of seats, then the sector should be smaller. Okay, it should be 360 degrees. I made it wrong, but the concept should be clear. Okay. So now, how do you divide this? How do you divide? What concept you are going to use to divide a circle into different sectors? What makes it easy to divide it in different sectors? Anyone? What concept we should use here? Do you know what is a complete circle? What is the angle of a complete circle?
360 degrees.
360 degrees. So that means if I want this party A, suppose if I want them to have 15% of share, 15% sector. So there should be a particular angle that I should assign to this. Out of 360 degrees, this whole is 360. Am I right? This whole is 360 degrees. So out of this 360 degrees, according to the percentage, this should not be 15 degrees. ये 15 degree नहीं होगा. It will be more than 15 degree. Percentage is 15%. But how do you change 15% in degrees? 15% means 15 out of 100. Out of 100, their share is 15. What will be their share out of 360? So there are many ways of finding it.
Sir,
You can use
15% of 360.
correct 15% of 360. This is one of the ways of doing it. Another way, you can use unitary method also. Okay, many other ways are there. 3-4 methods are there. So we can find out the particular angle for that party A, and then the angle we are going to construct here in the pie chart, and you will get the proper measurement of this sector. Okay, fine. So let us do it with the help of an example. It will give you a better idea. I think you all have understood what is a pie chart, whatever I have told you till now. This information has helped you in understanding what is a pie chart, not how to construct it. Till now, we have not studied anything how to construct a pie chart. We have only done that what is a pie chart. Have you all understood what is a pie chart?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So let's start doing it. Let's take the first question from the exercise. What is how to construct a pie chart? Okay. So question 1 from exercise 24A. So there is a data given in this question. Please, first of all, always whenever you are doing questions of statistics, first of all, read the data very carefully. Try to understand the data. The data is about what? So yes, Pranjali, can you read what is the data? What is the statement? Read the question and find out what is the data about. Pranjali. Just read the question. Anshuman, can you read the question?
Of a family is 28,800. The monthly expenditure of the family on various items is given below.
Correct. So the data is given about what? Anshuman?
Sir, monthly income and expenditure.
Monthly income and expenditure of a family. Okay, this is given. What is their total monthly income? What is their total monthly income? It is given in the question. Sorry,
28,000.
28,800 is the total monthly income. How much they spend? How much they spend? That means expenditure. Expenditure means the amount spent. How much they spend on rent for their house? Rupees
8,000.
8,000. Very good. How much they spend for clothing?
5,600.
5,600. So this data, we are reading this data right now. We are reading this data with the help of a table. Okay. Now we are going to represent the same data in the form of a pie chart. Okay. So what is the process of doing it? First of all, according to the money spent on a particular uh, area, wherever it is spent, whether it will be rent or food or clothing, education, whatever, you have to find out a particular angle that is the appropriate angle, what the angle should be assigned for that particular area where he is spending the money according to the money spent. Okay, if suppose the money spent in a particular area is less, then the angle will be less. So how will you find out these angles? There is a easy way of doing it. So let's find the angle for the money spent on rent. So you can write down in your copies angle for money spent, yeah, expenditure of rent. Okay, expenditure word is used in the question, so we will use the same word, expenditure on rent. What is the method? The formula is very easy. First you write down the money spent on rent, 8,000, divided by the total money spent, total income. What is the total income? What is the total of all these items? 28,800, already given in the question. In some questions it may not be given, so in those questions you will add all the data, okay, to find it out. Multiplied by 360. Why are we multiplying it by 360? Because we are finding the angle. The angle is calculated out of 360 degrees. So this is how you will get the particular angle. So what is this? So 288, when you divide by can we divide it by 18? Yes, let's divide by 18. 1086, 20, divide by 4, 4, 5, 20 into 5. What is the angle? 100 degrees. Got it, all of you? So this was the first one. Second one, what is the angle for the second? The item that is on which the money is spent is food. So find out the angle for expenditure on food. What is the total money spent on food? 10800 divided by 28800 into 360. So dividing by, first of all, you can cancel out 1 0, 2 zeros. Now 288 when you divide by 18 and 4, 72. What do you get? You get 4. And 360 divided by 72, you get 5. 108 divided by 4, 2, 7, 27. 27 into 5, 135 degrees. This is the angle for food. Find out the angle for clothing, education, and savings quickly. Same way. Clothing. Tell me the angle directly. All of you. Find out and tell me.
Seventy degrees.
Sorry?
70 degrees.
70. 70?
Yes, sir.
70 degrees. Fourth one. Education. How much money is spent on education?
Forty-five degrees. 45 degrees.
45 degrees. Correct. And the last one, savings. Angle for savings.
10 degrees.
10 degrees. Absolutely right. So these are all the angles. We have found the angles. Now how to construct the pie chart. Everyone is going to look at the board. Okay. You will not write. I will first tell you how to do it. Don't draw. First learn how to draw it. Okay, the angles are visible. Okay, so you will make a circle, make a big circle of at least a radius should be of at least 4 centimeters. 3.54 centimeters and not more than 4.5, otherwise it will look very big. So make a circle. Okay. Use compass to draw the circle, not anything else. Don't use bangles or anything. Use a compass. Why to use the compass? Because you want to know where is the center of the circle. So when you draw the circle with a compass, you easily find the center. So this is the center of the circle, right? This is the center. Now, after drawing this circle, just draw any one radius of this circle. Draw any one radius of the circle. Don't draw it first, look how to do it. Okay. So just draw any one circle. Just a minute, I'll let me share my link. So after drawing any one radius, now what is the first angle? 100 degrees. It is for rent. So from this center, you have to use your protector to construct an angle of 100 degrees. It will be something like this. Okay, keep your protector here in this position and draw an angle of 100 degrees. So this is 100-degree angle, and now this angle is 100 degrees. Now this sector is for rent, so you will write it rent here and write the amount also. What is the amount for rent? It is rupees, how much? 8,000. Rupees 8,000 are spent on rent. Okay, so next step. Now you will use your protector to construct an angle of 135 degrees. Now what the mistake that students do here? What mistakes they make here? They make the angle keeping, suppose if I name this side as AO, which side I'm telling you? Suppose this is the center of the circle O, and this is A. Suppose this is B, this point is B. So OA is radius of the circle.
Yes.
For the next angle, for the first angle, you will take OA as the base, correct? Fine, it is okay. But when you are making the second angle, you will not take OA as the base. That will be wrong if you take OA as the base for the second angle. Now you will take OB as the base. OB will be taken as the base, and you will keep the protector in this way. Suppose this is your protector. So you will keep it here like this. Okay. So you draw lines like this, and then you start finding the angle, whatever the angle is. Understood how to keep the protector in for the second angle? So you will take OB as the base now. Okay, now we will construct a 135-degree angle taking OB as the base. So 135 will be, yeah, something like this. It will come somewhere here. Okay, even more than this. It will come somewhere here. Okay, then the third angle. Third angle will be taken, for the third angle you will take OC as the base. OC will be taken as the base. For the third angle, it is 70 degrees. What is this? So third angle is 70 degrees. Draw a 70-degree angle. This is your 70-degree angle, suppose. And then the fourth one is 45. So you will make a 45-degree angle here. And for the last one, you don't have to measure with the help of a protector because it will automatically come 10 degrees. Do you know what is the sum of all these angles? It will come 360. You can check whether you have calculated the angles correctly or not. By adding all these angles, the sum should be 360. So now this angle is how much? 135 degrees. What is the name of the sector? It is for food. Write down the amount. What is the amount? Rupees. How much? 1